Ukrainian armed forces have struck a key bridge in Russia-controlled territory in the south of the country with US-supplied HIMARS rockets, a Russian-installed regional official said on Tuesday. Military analysts say the newly arrived high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, which are more accurate and have a longer range than other artillery, could be a game-changer for Kyiv in its attempt to launch a counter-offensive in the south of the country. The deputy head of the Russian-installed administration in the southern Kherson region, Kirill Stromysov, said Ukraine hit the Antonivsky Bridge in Kherson with HIMARS, damaging the road but not injuring anybody. The kilometer-long bridge is one of only 2 crossing points to Russian-controlled territory on the western side of the river, including the region's main city of Kherson, home to 280,000 people before Russia invaded on February 24. Video of a Russian aircraft shot down in Kherson. Ukrainian officials are claiming it was a Russian Su-35's fighter. Given the location, it is possible Russian air defenses shot down their own aircraft. Russia captured Kherson and the surrounding area with little resistance in the early days of the invasion, but Ukrainian officials have in recent weeks talked up a planned counter-offensive, backed by Western-supplied weapons, to retake the territory. Stromysov said the damaged bridge, which appeared to have 4 large holes in the asphalt, would be repaired. The British Ministry of Defence has said that Russia is also reinforcing its defensive military positions in areas that it currently occupies in southern Ukraine. The British ministry has also said that Russia has used the private military company Wagner to reinforce frontline forces and to mitigate manning shortfalls and casualties. The Ministry of Defense believes that Wagner has played a key role in recent fighting, including in the capture of Ukrainian cities, but they also said that this fighting has inflicted heavy casualties on the group, which has caused them to lower their recruitment standards. On the other side, Ukraine is pushing slow but steady in the south, and the Kherson is the main goal for the Ukrainian military. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.